Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Jesse. This is my garage. As you can see, we're finally starting to get, Claire's our helper today, starting to get some of our garage space back. And Claire's playing a game. What are you playing? Show us. This car's super dirty. So we gotta take care of some dirty vehicles today. But first, Claire's gonna show us how to play this game. All right, Claire, go for it. Show me. Oh yeah, 90 points. Throw it again. 100 points.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Which one?
All right, I'm gonna play with her. I gotta take a turn. All right, ready, set. I better back up. Oh!
Almost. Dude.
Almost, I missed. Will you hand it to me? All right. Boom, 20 points. All right, this car's a mess. And we've got some stuff to do today. Uh-oh. Claire's gonna play the game. The 300ZX is looking great, dude. Ever since we did that paint correction, this thing looks amazing. Claire's over there turning up with 100 points. Yeah, but this, if you watch some of the other videos, I still have not washed this since then. We cut our grass the other day, and so that's nasty. We're gonna wash this, right?
Yeah.
So we need to wash this car today. We really need to wash the truck. That's where I did a little something, got some vinyl scraped on it, but we'll do the 350Z first, and we'll.
That one's not clean.
This one's not clean?
Okay, it's clean.
That one's not clean. Oh, but we need to wash Claire's car too, because we took it off-roading and it is super dirty, so we better wash that one too.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it. All right, well, I do love the fact that the 350Z is so easy to clean because it's so small, and I can just reach all over it, unlike the truck there, which is much bigger. It's summertime, but it's cloudy, so I'm gonna take advantage of that today. Let's wash these vehicles. All right, now we got that washed up. Do a little secret weapon I like to use. This little spray detailer just to get it just pop perfectly. Sometimes I'll use this. If you guys watch some of my other videos, I'm not gonna do that today in a hurry. And another thing, wash your wheels first before you wash your car. I did that backwards, you know, because I've got a 3-year-old running around and gotta stay focused. So just this quick detailer for black cars. This one's for black. Works good. Use it all the time. Just gives it that little extra something. And so boom, microfiber towel right up here. Look at all these. What do we want? Yellow? Perfect. Let's get to it. Clean that up, get any water spots or anything that might have formed. We'll clean that up and just give it a nice little extra touch. So I'm gonna do that to the whole car. Amazing, look at that. Let's see. Looks great. So I put up on a poll on our YouTube and on Instagram if I should drive the freshly washed 350 today or we're driving the garage kept white 300ZX. So we'll find out here shortly. If you guys follow me on those two platforms, what you decide. But I mean, this guy's always classic. And finally the sun came out, so you see we did perfect timing on the, oh no, Claire's got it. Don't do it. We did perfect timing on that because, you know, you can't wash your car in the sunshine. And then if we drive that tonight, if you guys vote for it, I'm gonna pop these T-tops off and rock that. So we'll check it out here shortly. I'm gonna get back to it. Now we gotta clean this mess up because we got some other stuff going on, and oh my gosh. All right, everyone, well, welcome to my office, and let's see what our poll said. So we got with a knockout blow, we got 12 votes so far, and it looks like we're driving that 300ZX today. The poor 350Z didn't get any love, so we're gonna drive the 300ZX. What did I say earlier? I don't know. We're driving the 300ZX today. You guys voted. Thank you so much. All right, so we're doing it. We are taking the 300ZX, but this is what happens when you got kids and playing around in the car. You know, Claire wanted to drive it. She left the door open. So I drained the battery, and now we're gonna get this guy right here, which every car enthusiast or car owner, geez, in general, if you have more than one car, if you only have one car, little battery pack, super good. So we're gonna hook that up. Got the hood pop, so the car looks all nice, and then the engine bay, not so much, except for where we did the battery replacement. Looks good. So let's get this hooked up. All right, all hooked up. Let's go get this thing started. The poor seat. Oh, all right. We got our power back on. Battery charger might be a little low. Anyways, we did it. Well, those things are super useful. I usually keep that plugged in. Obviously, it was not plugged in when I grabbed it, and so it was a little low on power, but we were able to get enough. So enough talking. Let's just go. Now my stereo's all off. All right, well, you guys voted for it. We're driving the 300ZX today. It's just an awesome experience. Oh man, I did say I was gonna take off the T-tops, but I did not do that. But there's a few things this car needs. It needs the driveline center bearing. Needs replaced. We need to do that. Kind of just been recently diagnosing that. And then it also needs some power steering fluid for one. I think the rack leaks pretty good. I have a rack I pulled out of a 90 300ZX. It's in my storage. Need to swap that out. Somebody was telling me we could do it just without pulling the motor. We'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. So if we do pull the motor for a twin turbo motor, then that's the time to do it. Otherwise, I can fight with sliding it back into place. But the leaking power steering fluid is pretty annoying, especially because I have to fill it back up. And I think one of my power steering hoses, just from the reservoir, leaks. Like if you watch one of my other videos about when we were looking at Luke's car, the convertible, the red convertible 300ZX, I was talking about pretty much both those hoses just go bad and you need to replace them. I replaced one of mine, but not the other, and I'm pretty sure it still leaks. I also replaced those copper washers around the high pressure hose because that was leaking, and that is better now. But pretty much everything in the power steering area has been leaking. So that, and then we've got our rear main seal leaking where the engine and transmission meet up, which is not good. But the reason I haven't done that yet is because, you know, if we're gonna do a 5-speed swap or a twin turbo swap, I don't want to pull off the automatic transmission, just change that seal just to re-put it back on there. So, well, you guys were right. Somebody just yelled at me, nice car. So somebody posted on Instagram that they think the 300ZX is more of a head turner than the the 350Z, and you're right, because the first stoplight from my house, someone's hollering at me, nice car, so I gave him the little what's up. If you guys ever see me on the street, definitely say hi. Like that, wave at those guys. I actually took some pictures with some kids at Walmart one time. I thought that was really cool. It made my day. But yeah, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on and continue on to where we're going. All right, we're here. I don't want another dead battery. Hopefully it starts after this. Oh, look at this. Got a pressure washer. Yeah. So what's up, Luke? We're back at it, dude.
Pressure wash.
Look at those freaking sexy lights, dude. Those look so legit, bro. So, you know, you guys have been watching the videos, we're walking them. It's always those gray lights. This is the first time after we putting in those other lights. And last time it got dark on us. So getting the full walk up right here. It's looking good, dude. Those lights, man, those lights with the red, bro.
Dude, so good.
Yes.
The red almost complete, like it almost matches.
No, it's
the paint.
good, dude. It's perfect, dude. Like the red with those lights, that's where it's at. Man, I really wish that piece wasn't busted.
Ah, of course you had to point that out. Yeah, I want to just get a spoiler for it. But
Yeah.
last time we were talking about it, you pointed out that maybe it won't work with a convertible.
I heard somebody asking about convertible wings too, since it's different than the hatch. So I don't know if you know about convertible wings versus hatch wings, if there's wings for the convertible. I've done zero research on this. So let our boy Luke here at 8-Bit Games know what he needs to put right here. If we can delete this piece and just put a nice little wing right off the top of there.
Ooh.
But we're back at it today. I mean, it's been a minute. Luke did a little vacay. I've been getting busy with some stuff. Pretty much right where we left off. Change all the seals and start putting this back together. Luke got a pressure washer. We're gonna check that out. So I'm gonna help him put that together, and then we'll get back at it. All right, Luke's gonna pressure wash his engine.
All right, let's do this. Yeah!
You should be able to turn that to a fan. I think that'd be better. A fan. It'll stay right on the thing. Yeah, go like that. Yeah, there you go. All right, all the dirt, grime is officially off there. This is what your engine looks like. Now we're gonna take this little fancy pick and we're gonna pull these seals out right here. On the one down here. We also have to remove that guy and get those replaced with the new ones. Luke's got his recording equipment for the video that we're working on about doing your timing belt. So I'm gonna put the camera down and get started.
For the video coming soon.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. All right, well, it's hot out here. We've got those new seals put into place. Got a little hammer and 3/4, what did I just use? 3/8, 3/4, wait a minute, dude. It's been a long day. This guy on that hammer right there, those are the seal putter inners. You'll see it in the video, but that's what's up. I feel like that.
Gotta have your beer. You're gonna go through a lot.
Yeah.
Dude, so good.
All right, well, that's where we're at. What do we got? It doesn't matter what we got. You'll see it on the install video.
Yeah.
This is just for fun. Luke was saying that some kids were jaw jacking them. Jaw jacking.
They were
I don't know. They like this car.
just this kid was blown away that he saw a Z32 that had a convertible top, and I had kind of the same response when I saw it myself, but it was freaking awesome, dude. I was driving down First Street, and I'm turning left, and I look over, and he's in a Subaru, or just like kind of run-of-the-mill car you see up in the Northwest, and he like literally is like, and I'm just like, and just hauled down like under the underpass. It was so sick.
So, yeah, you did.
Ah, hell yeah. You did see that.
All right, well, we're about to put this thing back together. It's just, I mean, we're there. Throw the water pump stuff on. Got to get some gasket sealer, but I'm gonna call it a day for this one. But you know how we jumped my battery on the way here? Well, it didn't get charged enough, so now we're gonna have to jump it to get out of here. And I didn't bring that box because I don't know, I thought it would just be fine. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna jump it with the Subaru.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Dude, he said these cables are janky. These cables are good, dude. Let's see where his battery. Oh, right here.
I need to get a tie down.
Let's see. Hold one side. Yeah, a little bit closer.
It's not gonna work. Yeah.
A little bit closer.
Just guide me.
He's leaving me here. He's gone. He left. I'm out. I'm on my own. Hoofing it home. We got this. We got it. Oh yeah. But now you can't get out.
I can't get out.
Yeah.
Is that close enough though?
Sure, let's see. All right, we're gonna put this down. And yeah, we should be good. All right, we got it. Let's go start it up.
Yeah. We'll see.
Should just be like
Dude,
real
these
quick.
cables are jank, dude.
The Subaru is saving the Nissan. Oh, what the hell? Come on, man. Oh, man. They ain't having it.
No.
Maybe these cables are,
Dude, they're jank as hell.
that negative one has definitely seen better days.
Dude, that thing is just, it's crap. Chinese crap.
Yeah, dude, I don't know about it. It's not.
Let's just go over to AutoZone. I'll go and get some jumper.
Well, we can just go to my house. I can grab that jumper box.
I mean,
Did you lock me out, Claire?
No.
Yeah, she did. We're finally home. We had to come and get the jumper pack to save Dad. And now it's time to go in here and do family time and eat some dinner. So I'll see you guys on the next one.